लिखा था उसने जाकर ना पुलिस स्टेशन में कंप्लेन किया, और फिर है ना वो ब्राह्मण को मैम जो था ना वो पंडित, उसको मैम है ना 7 दिन की जेल की सजा सुनाई गई।
Yes, it happens. So that is why these women were trying that the bill has changed. Government has made a new bill, but this has to be executed. Otherwise, there is no value of the bill. There is no importance of the bill. Bill pass हो गया, पर अगर वो execute ही नहीं हुआ वो bill, तो bill pass होने से क्या मतलब? Okay? चलो. Now read this one as the above example shows.
Ma'am, can I read meat?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read.
Ma'am, meat?
Yes, read.
Yes, ma'am. What do you understand by domestic violence? That one?
Sorry?
What do you understand by domestic violence?
Above paragraph.
ये लोग कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे कहाँ पे हम लोग खत्म कर रहे हैं।
मैम वहां से करना है, हमारा यहाँ तक खत्म हो गया, अभी हमें एज द अबव एग्जांपल से पढ़ना है।
यस राइट, कहाँ से? आप लोग
Okay,
को पता क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? आप लोग हमेशा वीडियो ऑफ करके सो जाते हो क्या?
No, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
now. What, ma'am?
That is why you do not know from where you have to start, from which paragraph and which line. Come on, read.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, now the government has to ensure that this law is implemented.
We have finished.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Next page says
As the above example shows.
Yes, read.
Okay, ma'am. As the above example shows, the role of citizens is crucial in helping Parliament frame different concerns that people might have into law.
Concurs. What is concur?
Concurs.
Oh my God. Concern. कंकर्न नहीं है क्या? कंकर्न क्या होता है? कंसर्न। तो बताओ किसी ने प्लीज, कोई बताओ इसको कंसर्न बोलने के लिए।
मैम उसके बैकग्राउंड से बहुत नॉइज आ रहा था।
And he has muted also.
May I read?
Read, Agni. Read.
Thank you. As the above example shows, the role of citizens is crucial in helping Parliament
frame different crucial
that people might have into laws. From establishing the need for a new law to its being passed, at every stage of the process, the voice of the citizen is a crucial element. The voice can be heard through TV reports, newspaper editorials, radio broadcasts, local meetings, all of which help in making the work the Parliament does more accessible and transparent to the people.
Yes. Now see, you have said that this voice can be heard. It is not heard. This voice can be heard. Sagnik? Yes.
Ma'am, what is meaning of crucial?
Crucial means very important. Very, very important. That is crucial. One of the important points that is crucial. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So as the above example shows, the role of citizen is very crucial. Actually, it is saying that. So the role of citizen is very important because if there is any law which you are not supporting, you must raise the voice against that law. Then only government can think or Parliament can think to change the law. As we have seen, as we have read the story, the law was passed, but these women said that it was not the law which they have suggested. Which they have suggested it was not the law. So they called for a press conference. And in that press conference, they have declared their problem. They suggested, they asked them to change it. And it took lot of time. That is true. It took lot of time, but finally, that is in 2006 or I think 2006 now?
And
After
2005.
2006 only. Finally, in October 2006, they called for this press conference, and after that, they have this new law has been passed, and only they were thinking that this law should be implemented by the parliament. So this is called to raise a voice against law. If you are not admitting that law by the government or by the parliament, you have a full right to raise up your voice against it.
Ma'am,
It is said
we
that-
can also call it as right against constitutional remedies.
Constitutional remedies?
Yes, ma'am. It is a fundamental right that gives us right to reach the court for to any fundamental right that has been violated.
Yes, that is rights which we have learned. The last right of citizen. The last right of the citizen. Yes, you can say that. But remedies, yes, because they have come with the solution. After that, they changed it, and again they resolved the problem, right? Yes. So it is saying that from establishing the need for a new law to its being passed at every stage of the process, the voice of the citizen should be crucial. Voice, that is your voice, means you are protesting it. You can say this through TV, through newspaper, through police, through conference. So you can declare your suggestion. You can show, you can give your decision through any of this media, through any of this supporter. But if you are not satisfied with the law made by the government, this citizen have full right to go against it and made it changed. But you have to give proper logic reason. You have to prepare with proper logical reason, then only they can change their previous decision and law. Clear?
Clear, ma'am. Ma'am,
Everyone?
please, ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am,
please say the
clear.
meaning of amendment? Ma'am, can you please tell the
Amendment
meaning of
means
amendment?
change. Amendment means to change. Okay? To rectify, that is amendment.
Okay,
Yes, now
ma'am.
please tell me if you have any confusion, any doubt. Say. Any
Ma'am, can you
question?
please, ma'am, can you please tell that in the,
Say.
ma'am, can you please tell that in the first picture story we have seen that in a sentence that we need a civil law to address this issue, ma'am. In that only, ma'am, we had read and ma'am temporary relief, ma'am. Then what is the meaning of ma'am temporary relief?
Where it is written?
The first picture story, ma'am, in the page number 46, ma'am.
46.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where it is written? Just tell me.
Ma'am, where it is written that throughout the 1990s, in the oval shape.
Acha, haan. Throughout the 1990s, the need for a new law was raised in different forums. This one?
Yes, ma'am. The meaning of forums and the meaning of temporary relief.
Different forums means different ways. They tried to get this law. They tried the law to be passed. That is in different forums, in different section, in different ways, in different other way they tried that law should be passed against the right of women. Next. Next.
I have this much doubt only.
Agnik, say.
Ma'am, my doubt is clear, ma'am. I only have this much doubt.
Different forums.
Ma'am, I have only this much doubt that what is the meaning of different forums and you have explained it to me.
Understood now?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Any other question from any other students? Any question from any other students? Only this paragraph is left, children, that I will teach you on Saturday. Unpopular and controversial laws, that I will explain you on Saturday, and then we can I can finish this chapter. So till here, till page 49, first paragraph. Till page 49, first paragraph. If you have any doubt, please tell me.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt, but I want to ask something.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, what has happened to Priksha, ma'am? Why is she not coming?
She has been hospitalized. She will join from Monday.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
She will join from... Sorry?
Ma'am, can I say my doubt?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, what is meaning of crucial element?
Just now, after 5 minutes back only, I have said.
Crucial
meaning
means
of
very
crucial.
important. Very important.
Crucial means very, very important, highlighted. That is crucial. Okay?
Clear.
Yes. So I taught you, see, do one thing. You read the chapter from this page to this page till page 49 of first paragraph. You read it. If you get any confusion, any doubt, please ask me on next class. Then I will start the new portion.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
See you on next
Bye, ma'am.
class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.